Today we're bringing down the Jordan 38s. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Zach here with Tamsters Kicks, and we're breaking down the Air Jordan 38s. It doesn't look like it, but these things are pretty fire. We got a different box. They didn't do a traditional crazy Jordan box. We have a pretty steep retail. We're breaking these down today. The Jordan 38s are a new basketball shoe from the Jordan line. I'm excited to hoop in these. We've seen plenty of different Jordan athletes hooping in Jordan shoes. 36s, 37s. Tatum used to wear them, like a bunch of guys. But anyways, the Jordan 38s just came out. Retail at $200. They're expensive. But we're going to break these bad boys down today. If you guys haven't seen a shoe video review from me, we're going through the traction, support, cushion, materials, the fit of the shoe. I got some video clips of me playing in the shoes. Bunch of stuff today, guys. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and let's break these down. All right, so like I said, the Air Jordan 38s, these bad boys didn't come out too long ago. This is kind of like the first colorway to drop. We have a couple of different ones coming out as well, but these guys, like I said, $200 retail. Kind of nuts because Jordan simplified the crap out of these shoes. Took out a lot of stuff from past like 33s, 36s, 37s, and they went more simple with a little more updated stuff, but we're gonna break them down today. The traction pattern features a rubber translucent outsole. This herringbone rubber outsole is classic. The translucent is pretty good for like indoor play specifically. It doesn't break down as much, and you can kind of see the X nod on the bottom outsole part. That definitely is a nod to the old Air Jordan 8s. They have like the pretty crazy strap right here, that crisscross strap here. I'm glad they left the strap off of these bad boys, but I love that outsole here. It plays so well. I like the cushioning pad here. I feel like you get really good direction, like multi-directional movement. The only thing is playing as a guard, I wish it came up a little more on the sides here. You have like these plastic pieces that are good for like keeping you down and locked in sideways to the shoe as well, but I wish they went up with the rubber traction there, but the traction pattern is solid. The cushion on the Jordan 38 features a full-length zoom strobel in it. So you have the full-length zoom strobel in this for the cushion, which is phenomenal. We all love the zoom strobel. And then you have under that a Cushlon 3.0 system, which you can kind of tell as well on that shoe. And it feels really nice off the bat. I feel like I do need to break it in some to kind of activate that strobel and the Cushlon underneath, but it feels really good. These ones got some big potential because Jordan Brand took out a lot of the little details. As you can see, there's like no hollowed out visible middle anymore, which was a complaint of a lot of things. I wasn't the biggest fan of them. I have them on my Jordan 36s, and it kind of bugged me a little bit. But it wasn't bad. They took out like the unlocked zoom and stuff like that. Like they really just simplified it and just did like herringbone traction pattern, zoom strobel, full length, and then put the Cushlon in there. And then material wise, they got some stuff we'll talk about in a second, but like overall they did I think a really good job here. Materials, continuing with the latest Air Jordan trends, the 38s have a lightweight knit mesh upper. I mean, in comparison with the Air Jordan 37s, they just feel like lighter, more breathable, more like a nice top tier basketball shoe. I feel like Jordan, they came out pretty quick with the 38s, and I feel like they did a lot of good stuff on this one. Material wise, you got like little like synthetic nubuck. That mesh material here keeps it really breathable. The only thing I was kind of interested to like when I took them out of the box and see how they play is that midsection, because you have, this is where they took a lot of materials and like weight out of the shoe as well, because you have that lightweight material see-through mesh here, which could rip out pretty easy. But then they did like the Kobe 5s has the like sock liner, the like mid sock liner too in here, and it like kind of covers that area. So I hope it offers a little more protection there. Easy one here, definitely go true to size on the fit. Like on the, I think it's 36s, I went up half a size because I kind of like to play with the bigger socks sometimes and have a little more room, but those are definitely too big. Just stick true to size with these bad boys. They'll be good. Ankle height is nice. The tongue doesn't do too like much constriction. There is like a little bit of a double layered tongue padding here, which I don't know. I thought it was kind of weird. They should have just kept it one whole thing here, but either way, it's fine. Just go true to size. So the support as well is pretty solid. That X here on the midfoot kind of helps your forefoot stay locked in. I like that aspect of it. And then like the ankle height is pretty solid all around. One thing I did kind of want to take a hit off for $200. These bad boys have some very bad like gluing in them, and it's like these plastic pieces all around here. You can see like visibly like see the glue, and it's like kind of like I ripped a piece off right there. Like you can see the glue that's like protruding out of the plastic pieces. So not very impressed there. The stitching's kind of off in a lot of places. So like for a $200 shoe, you'd expect it to be a little bit better than that, but other than that, like all around, it's pretty solid. So with all my ratings here, traction, cushion, materials, support, those ones all I'm giving 8.5 out of 10. Traction wise, it could end up being a super high traction because I love this herringbone design. I feel like the multi-directional aspect of it's really good. They have like nice toe coverage as well here, so I do like that. I just want to see how it plays a little more if like that side-to-side movement will really be like inhibited by some of these like plastic pieces and stuff like that, but we'll kind of see. With the cushion, I just really like the zoom strobel. Like you can't go wrong with the zoom strobel. I think it will break in very nice as well, and it just feels like more uniform, whereas like the 36s, it kind of felt like two distinct parts of the shoe, not like one uniform piece. So that's kind of felt there. Materials are solid. I got really no complaints besides I don't know longevity wise if this knit mesh is gonna last very good. It doesn't seem like it. It's different than the 36s. It's like triple layered, but I don't know about that. Support wise, it's great. Like it's nothing like sticking out, like protruding too much. Like it just feels pretty uniform. And then with the fit, it's like a solid fit. Like I don't think you can go much wrong like any parts of the shoe. A little bit of dead space in some areas, which is my only complaint with the fit, and I think that has a little bit to do with the mesh on the sides as well as a little bit of back heel dead space. But other than that, their Jordan 38s delivered, man. I think these could end up being one of the better shoes of the year. We'll kind of see how it breaks in. I'll try to give an update on a lot of my shoes as the year ends, like some of my favorite ones of the shoe, but that's it. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 38s down in the comments. These bad boys are pretty crazy, but we'll see you on the next one.